Having a strong network on Alignable can help you grow your business in so many ways. Making connections and building relationships is a two-way street. First impressions are so important. So I'm going to share my tips to help you make a great first impression with business owners you want to connect with and get on the path to building trusted relationships on Alignable. On Alignable, connection requests are used as a virtual way to introduce yourself to other members. To get off on the right foot, it's important to be the person others want to connect with. After the request has been accepted, you can start building a relationship with your new connection by learning more about each other's businesses and getting to know each other, and ultimately gaining a new client, or better yet, a new referral partner. Let's get started with 5 simple steps that will get those connection requests accepted by the people you want in your network. Number 1, before sending out any connection request, do your homework. Learn as much as you can about the business by viewing their profile and make sure you can answer the question, why do you want to connect with this business owner? Some other things you might want to consider might be if they have great recommendations, or maybe a large network, or if you have shared connections, or if they have any upcoming events that you might be interested in. Number 2, introduce yourself. After you have your list of key Alignable members you want to get to know and connect with, introduce yourself. Make sure you add a custom message to your connection request. Now you have the option to attach a personal introduction. Be genuine and explain why you believe both of you would benefit from this connection. To ensure that you make a great first impression, make sure that your profile is complete so they can learn about you and your business as well. Number 3, after your request has been accepted, immediately send them a message while you are still top of mind. We have examples you can use to get the conversation started, but let me tell you, it is so much more personal and you're more apt to get a response back if you send a personal message of your own. Also, take a look at their profile to refresh your memory about this new connection and find conversation starters. And keep the conversation going. Number 4, when messaging your new connection, let them know why you're interested in connecting with them and that you want to know more about their business. Offer to help in any way you can and perhaps show the member what value you can contribute to their business. Alignable is a community of business owners who help each other, and members are much more willing to return the favor when approached this way. They will also be more likely to send referrals your way and trust you with their own clients. Keep in touch and take the relationship a step further. Try setting up a time to meet over the phone or even in person if you're close by. This truly enhances your relationship with the member, and it is the most effective way to convert connections into real relationships, which could turn into the opportunity to share clients or, better yet, become referral partners. Relationship building takes a commitment, and how you introduce yourself to others will start the relationship off right. And remember, the more relationships you spend time building in the short term, the more clients you'll get in the long term. Good luck.